Hi guys, my name's Niki. Welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all well. So first colour TLP Comet, which is an interference red gold. TLP Enchantment. TLP Parakeet. TLP Nightfall. And as you can see, all pigments today. No tube paints apart from my Activator, which is Amsterdam titanium white with Australian Floetrol. Now you can buy this little piggy pigments from fluid-art.co. You just choose your region at the top of the site with a flag and your currency at the bottom. I think they ship from 5 different areas. So it's a bit of a hybrid today. It's sort of kind of my simplistic bloom, but I didn't want to do it with a stem. I fancied doing something a bit different with swiping, so that's what I've done. So you will see me swiping later, just with a very small palette knife, because I only wanted very delicate little swipes. Not sure if I've said my substrate is a 14-inch MDF wood round. And where I get the MDF wood rounds from in Queensland, I will put the link below because they're a really good price. It's a resin artist who she makes her own wood rounds, and they're beautifully finished. They're lovely, and the edges are routed, so they're really nice rather than sharp edges. So I will put the link in the description box for that as well below. So colours, where I get my hairdryer from, where I get my palette knives from, which is Fluid Art Co. The small ones I'll just get from the art shop, but my larger ones I get from Fluid Art Co. All my colours and everything listed in the description box below. And also, if you'd like to take the Shelley Art e-course, you can get a 15% discount using my code, which I will put up now. And all the details are in the description box below. You head to shelleyart.com, I think it's .au, and sign up. But yeah, that'll get you 15% off. So I will stop waffling and put some music on and come back to you later. Oh, I love these colours together. Beautiful. Got to use this colour combo again, and the Comet just makes it. I love it. So happy with it. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. Please share, and thank you all for being here with me. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. And any questions, just ask below in the comments section. Everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks guys, bye.